In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically add big or regular size subtitles to your videos. I'll also show you how to download the subtitle file so you can upload it to YouTube to have timed captions in your videos. Big captions are a great way to grab viewers' attention and is something that many profitable faceless channels use. A perfect example of this is a channel called Am I the Jerk, where they read stories from Reddit with footage from a game playing in the background. The focus is more on the story and the words, making this an easy and cheap way to create engaging videos for your channel. But you could also use this for your Instagram or promotional videos. To do this, we use a tool called Descript, and it's free to get started. I'll put links in the description to where you can get a free account. Descript is a great tool for content creators that makes editing videos as simple as editing a text document. It's a tool that I use daily and it saves me a huge amount of time. So with that said, let's jump inside and I'll show you how it's done. So once inside Descript, you should see something like this, which is your main drive view. And what you're going to want to do is come up to plus new here. And then you could decide whether you're going to record your screen, you're going to record the camera. So for example, the first part of this video I created by using the camera part here. Or you could start a new project and just upload some audio, some video footage, or your video file directly into a new project. For the sake of this video, I'm going to open up the first part of this video that I was literally just recording here. So if I open that up, what you will see is that the whole video has been translated by Descript and is literally showing everything that I say inside the video itself. Now this is what I really love about Descript, and I will make other videos on this tool moving forward as I think it's so valuable to content creators. I can literally delete parts of this text and it will automatically edit the video in the timeline and it will adjust it here. So it saves me a huge amount of time trying to edit my videos. So what we want to do is we want to add big captions to the beginning of this video, or indeed to the entire video. Now you want to highlight any areas of text that you want to, and I would do this after editing your video, but you want to highlight any areas you want to add the captions to. So from here, we've highlighted this area. I could then come up to the plus button here. I then want to open that up and scroll down, and you will see fancy captions. If I select this, you will automatically see that if I was to select this area here, that large captions that I can adjust in size and positioning on the video have automatically been added. So I have some control over these to what they actually look like and the size that they're going to be. So I have some functionality here that I can actually change to make sure that these actually look like exactly what I want. So if you are doing, say, an animated video or a video like I Am the Jerk, you could just move this to the center of the video and then let it play. So let's see how that looks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically add big or... And there you go. You see that it's automatically changed the text. Now, if I wanted to go through this and make sure there was a spelling mistake that was corrected, maybe it didn't transcribe it properly. So what I can do is I can go and highlight a piece of the text and then go correct, and then I can change that here and just click correct, and then that will automatically update the text. Now what if I want to get captions? So obviously this is really just for you having large parts, but you could have this through the entire script if you wanted, but this is just for you to have imprinted on the video non-removable captions. But what if you wanted to add captions on, say, YouTube videos so people can turn them on and off? In which case, what you actually want to do from here is go across to share, and that's once you've edited the video and everything is exactly how you want it. Go across to share, go to export, and then you can download subtitles here. And then what I do is I just download it as is, I don't change any of this, and then I can upload that file automatically into YouTube and it's perfectly timed to the video. Obviously, YouTube does this automatically for you, but often there's a lot of mistakes and the content inside isn't going to always match what's inside the video. So I always recommend uploading captions yourself to make sure that the content is an exact match for the person viewing. This is also a great tip for being able to improve your SEO to make sure that there are no mistakes or missing text that you want YouTube to read and see inside to know what the video is about. And that's literally it. When you're happy with the video, again, you could go to Share, go to Export, and you can just download the video, and then you will automatically have big, small, or any type of captions inside your videos, or you will just be able to download the captions file to upload to your YouTube videos or anywhere else you plan to use it. Now, I hope you found that useful. If you did, hit the like button. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you inside the next video. Until next time.